AI isn't just about saving money. It's about making money. It's about working smarter, faster, and better. Today, we're going to break down the top ways AI can boost efficiency and sales in your business. First up, speed to lead. Did you know that 78% of customers buy from the company that responds first? Speed is critical. Every second counts when it comes to capturing new leads, and AI can help you respond instantly to phone calls. With AI, you can automate lead responses, ensuring that no matter the time of day, your customers get the information they need fast. And when you respond faster, your conversion rates go up. Next, automating customer service. Customers expect instant responses, and AI-powered chatbots can handle customer SMS 24/7. No more waiting for office hours to get help. AI can answer frequently asked questions, resolve simple issues, and even help schedule appointments, freeing up your team to focus on more complex tasks. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the burden on your human staff. AI can also help boost your reputation. Automated systems can ask satisfied customers for reviews, ensuring you're getting more positive feedback on platforms like Google, Yelp, or Facebook. The more reviews you get, the higher your business ranks in search results, which ultimately drives more traffic and more sales. Conversational AI is the future of customer engagement. It's not just about responding to inquiries. It's about building relationships. AI can interact with customers, offering personalized experiences that make them feel heard and valued, whether it's through chat, voice assistants, or email. Conversational AI creates a seamless experience that keeps customers coming back. Personalization is a key factor in customer satisfaction. With AI, you can use data to create customized experiences for your customers, from personalized product recommendations to tailored marketing campaigns. AI helps you understand customer behavior, which allows you to deliver the right message at the right time on the right platform. AI also helps you automate lead qualification. Instead of manually sorting through endless leads, AI can assess the quality of each lead based on preset criteria and automatically follow up with the hottest prospects. This ensures that your sales team focuses their efforts on leads that are most likely to convert, increasing efficiency and sales. AI tools can automate time-consuming tasks, such as data entry, scheduling, and reporting, allowing your employees to focus on higher-value work. This not only improves productivity, but also enhances employee satisfaction, as your team spends less time on mundane tasks and more time on strategic work. AI is transforming the way we do business, and now is the time to harness its power. From faster lead responses to more personalized customer experiences, AI is the key to staying competitive in today's market. Don't wait until your competitors are miles ahead. Adapt to AI today. Ready to see how it works? Call now and test it for yourself. Call us at 517-955-2154 to book your demo. Experience the future of business with AI today.